In this video, I'll show you how you can automatically write the product description for your e-commerce store. Doesn't matter your store is built on Shopify or on WooCommerce. If you will watch this automation tutorial till end, you will be able to automate this description writing process for your e-commerce store. And don't be scared listening this automation word again and again, because even a non-technical person can automate this process very easily. You just need 3 things to automate this whole process. First, an e-commerce store. So in this video, I am taking an example of WooCommerce. Second thing we need is an AI tool for writing the description. So in this video, we will be using this OpenAI, or we can say ChatGPT application, to automate this writing process. And third thing we require is an automation tool, automation software, using which we can connect the above 2 applications and automate the entire process. Okay, I have already created an account in this OpenAI and this Pabbly Connect, that too for free. Here you can notice I am already logged in here, and you can also create your free account from this sign up free button. I will also attach the link in this I button. Now once the account is created in both the application, come back to your e-commerce store, and just like you usually add a new product, you will have to follow the same process. Simply provide the name to your product, then set a feature image of your product, then provide the basic product details, and simply leave this product description field blank. And once you will publish this product on your e-commerce store, you will notice after few seconds the description will be added here automatically and magically. Yes, it is going to happen. So let's start creating this automation step by step. So firstly, you will have to log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and after that directly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name something like automatically write product description. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Now it will ask you to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I have created several folders. So how about I go with this main workflow folder. Okay, now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way, you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever I publish any new product in my WooCommerce application, then automatically a description should be prepared using OpenAI application. Okay, so in this way I have selected both the application in the trigger and the action window. But let's say you have built your store in Shopify, so in place of WooCommerce, what you can do is you can search for Shopify here. Let me even show you the same. In this way you can select your Shopify application, but as I have told you in this video, I'm taking an example, so I'll go with the same. Okay, so I have selected the same. So I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is I will be connecting these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's first connect our WooCommerce store with the Pabbly Connect so that we can capture the basic product details here. Okay, so firstly I'm selecting the trigger event, that is whenever a new product is created. Okay, so here you can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new product is created. So yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever a new product is created in my WooCommerce application, this automation should trigger, or we can say the details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Now here you can find a webhook URL along with few set of instructions. So with the help of this URL only, we are going to build this connection. So I have copied that URL, and you will notice as soon as I copy that URL, it will start waiting for the webhook response. So basically it is waiting for the product details. Okay, so copied that URL, going back to my WooCommerce application, then visiting the settings section of WooCommerce, and here I will go to the advanced section, and after that I will visit this webhook section. Okay, here you will find the webhook section, and here exactly we are going to add a new webhook, and here only we are going to paste that webhook URL which we have just got via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the name, so I will provide the name something like Connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Okay, further it is asking for the status, so I'll go with this active. Now it is asking for the topic, so you will have to select the same topic, that is product created. Okay, the same we have selected even in the trigger event. And finally it is asking for the delivery URL, so I will be pasting the same URL which we have got via Pabbly Connect. And further it is asking for the secret and API version, so leave these two fields blank and directly click on the save webhook button, and in this way this webhook URL will be saved here, and that means the connection in WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect is done. Now in order to test this connection, I am going to create a new product, and you will notice the product creation details. The product details will be sent to this URL, and this URL has been taken from Pabbly Connect. So basically the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, and here also you can notice the response is already received, and this response consists of the webhook ID. So now the objective is to capture the product information, so I will click on this recapture webhook response button once again, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. So in front of you I am going to add a new product without the product description field, and then I'll show you how we can automatically write the product description. Okay, so let me provide the name, that is round neck t-shirt. Okay, leaving this product description field blank, and let me also set a random product image from this media library only. Alright, so I have selected the same. Further I will be providing some basic product details, like the regular price is 2999, assume that. Okay, again I am adding just the random details. The sale price will be 2100. Let me also set some inventory, that is 10. Okay, so how about I publish this product, and as soon as the product is published here without the product description field, you will notice the same product details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice the product is published, coming back and waiting for the response, fingers crossed. And did you notice the response is already here? Now I'll show you the details one by one. So here we have the stock status as in stock. Here we have the status of the product, that is this. Here we also have the slug of the product. Let me show you other details. Here we have the sale price, and we have lot of details. We even have the link of the very same product. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time you will add a new product in your WooCommerce store, the product details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture no incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done, which was connecting WooCommerce with the Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to connect an AI tool with the Pabbly Connect. So the tool is already selected. Now selecting the action event, that is this chat GPT, and just like we have connected WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this chat GPT with the Pabbly Connect. And for the connection it is asking for the token. So here I am assuming that you are already logged in your OpenAI application. So what you can do is directly click on this hyperlink, and it will redirect you to the API keys page, from where you can actually create a new secret key and copy and paste the same here. But because I have created several keys already, so how about instead of creating a new key, I use the existing one, clicking on save, and in this way my OpenAI account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And if you are connecting OpenAI with Pabbly Pabbly Connect, you will always have to go with the new connections only. But after that, you can also go with the existing connection just like me, okay? And because it is connected, now it is asking to select the AI model. Basically, whatever the models are already available in OpenAI have started visible here. So as I have told you earlier that I am using the free version, so I can select this 3.5 version, okay, 3.5 AI model, okay. If you have a paid account, you can also go with this GPT-4. And now it is asking for the prompt, basically the instruction which you will have to provide to OpenAI, okay. So what instruction I'm going to add here, I have already prepared, that is write a 2-paragraph 100 words product description with the following product details, okay. So I'm going to copy and paste the same instruction, that is write a 2-paragraph 100 words product description with the following keywords with the following product details, and here I will add the product details also. So how about I add the product name, that is, okay, give me a second, let me map the product name. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So the interesting thing here is I don't need to manually copy the details of the product and paste below again and again on every new product creation. If I will map this product name and other details, what will happen? The details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. And mapping is very simple. Wherever you want to add the details, simply click on that field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now search for your product name, which was blue round neck t-shirt, okay. So I have added the same. In case you want to provide more details like what is the price of the product, okay, so how about I also provide the price, give me a second. Well, I remember it was something like 2100. Along with that, let's say if you also want to go with the category of that product, you can also provide the same. But as far as I remember, I haven't added any category while creating this product, so currently I do not have this information. Let's say you have provided that category at the time of product creation, you can provide this detail also. But currently I will be providing only 2 basic details, and I know that ChatGPT will generate a nice product description using the same information, okay. And again telling you, you can provide the details as per your requirement. I'm just telling you that what could be the process, okay. So I hope you have understood. Alright, why it is not getting deleted, give me a second. Alright, now it has got deleted. And here I would also like to mention that do not include the amount in the description, okay. So I hope everything is looking good. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response to be generated here, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received, scrolling down and checking for the product description. So here you can find the content, the automated AI generated content, that is choices 0 message content. Let me maximize and read the whole thing, okay. So here we have the product description, that is the blue round neck t-shirt is the perfect addition to any casual wardrobe made from high quality fabric. This t-shirt is not only comfortable to wear but also extremely durable. Its vibrant color is sure to make a statement, and the classic round neck design allows for easy pairing with a variety of bottoms, okay. So did you notice what an interesting 2-paragraph 100 words content has been generated automatically? 100 words product description has been generated automatically, okay. So in this way, using this AI tool, you can automate the process of writing the description. Now we are going to update this description again with the help of Pabbly Connect, okay. So in this way, the second step is also done. Moving further, clicking on this plus icon and searching for the WooCommerce application, because as I have told you initially that I'll show you how you can entirely automate the product description writing as well as product description updating process, okay. So we have already generated the product description. Now it's turn to update the description automatically. So simply search this update and we are going to update an existing product. Don't worry, we are just going to update the description, not other details. Okay, so again go with the new connection, and now when you will connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect as an action application, you will have to provide this consumer key and this consumer secret key. Now how you can get this? Again visit the WooCommerce settings section, then advanced and this REST API. Okay, so this is the dashboard of WooCommerce. Okay, visiting the settings section once again, give me a second. This is WooCommerce, this is settings, then I will visit the advanced section, and after that you will find this REST API section. Simply add a key here. Click on this button and simply add a key here by providing the name, and you will notice one key will be generated. Basically the secret key and this consumer secret key will be generated. Okay, connect WooCommerce, or we can say eCommerce with Pabbly. Let me correct the spelling. eCommerce with Pabbly Connect. As a user, I'll go with the same, and in the permission I will provide this read and write, clicking on this generate API key button, and you will find both the things, that is this consumer key. Let me paste the same, and it is also asking for the consumer secret, so let me again copy and paste the same. Further, it is asking for the website URL, so you can actually copy the URL, but make sure that you do not include this ending slash. Okay, here also it is clearly mentioned that without ending slash. Okay, so I think I have provided all the details. How about I click on this save button, and in this way my WooCommerce application will be immediately connected as an action application. Alright, it is connected, and now it is asking for the product ID, the product name, the product slug, and lot of other details which you would like to update. So as I have told you, we are just about to update the description, not other details. So I will be providing the details only into the description field. Okay, and the interesting thing again here is I am going to map the details, not going to provide any detail manually, so that it can be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. So yes, I have mapped it, and here also in this drop down also you cannot select the product ID or the product name from this drop down. Otherwise what will happen? The new descriptions will be updated in the same product every time. So how you can map the product ID? Simply enable this mapping button, remove the existing ID, and then map the product ID from your WooCommerce tab. Okay, so let me search for the ID. Here we have lot of ID, give me a second, and here we have that product ID, that is the 61896. Okay, so again telling you, whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, but if you will provide any detail manually, that detail will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now I am leaving all the fields blank, directly clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice the description will be updated here automatically. Okay, so how about I scroll down and check the description field? Here you can notice only review section is there, no product description is available. Coming back, clicking on this button save and send test request, and waiting for the response to be generated, and if that response is positive, that means our automation is working fine. Well, here you can notice the response is received. Going back, let me first refresh my product, and did you notice the description? The same description has got updated automatically. Okay, so in this way, now onwards, what will happen? Once you will create this automation in Pabbly Connect, what will happen? Every time someone from your team or you create a new product in your WooCommerce store, the description will be prepared automatically using this OpenAI application in the backend, and the same description will even be updated automatically in your WooCommerce store. Yes, you do not have to do anything manually. Once this automation is ready, simply sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Simply add a new product without the product description field. Yes, you will have to leave that product description field, and what will happen? The description will be updated in few seconds automatically. And just in case if you want to access this 3-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the the link of my workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.